In this video, I'll be showing you how to change lock screen picture and color on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is long press in an empty area on your Samsung screen. It's then going to look like this. Then on the bottom left, you're going to see wallpaper and style. Go ahead and click on that. Now you have option. You can change your wallpaper for your lock screen or for your unlocked screen. We're going to change it for our lock screen, so go ahead and click on it. Then on the top left, go ahead and click wallpapers like so. And then you're going to be able to change your wallpaper to literally anything you want. There's going to be featured ones, which you can go through. You can go to your gallery if you wanted to. And of course, you can create with AI as well. And there's like going to be graphical ones as well. There's literally so many that you can choose from if you ever want to do that. And of course, I can choose something from my gallery too, which is pretty neat as well. And yeah, this new AI feature is like lock screen only and home and lock screen. So it's your choice which one you want to do. And then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.